Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the QuickBooks Payments login page URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Before proceeding, check that both entries are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. For additional security, if prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load, and you will be logged into QuickBooks Payments. If this is your first time logging in, you may be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms, and click Accept to proceed. Now you are ready to start using QuickBooks Payments. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.